In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter on this Nissan Rogue. This is going to be located on the driver's side in the engine bay. Let's get into it. I'm going to remove this air tube. Just squeeze these two locks on the side. You might have to get underneath and peel it apart. And there's a little clip here, and just pop that out. That slides up. And there's a clip on the side here. Clip on the other side. Pop those out. And slide the air filter right out. Now take the filter, slide it in. There's this little tab that goes at the top. Close the door. Lock down the latches. Take this cover. Get this lined up. And click it in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.